Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss the topic that is rotational or circular motion. A rotational or circular motion is the movement of object along the circumference of a circle. If the object is moved along the circumference of a circle or in a circular path with constant speed with changing velocity. How it is moved? Here is the object at velocity is continuously changing along the path. In this point, the velocity that is the tangent to it circle and is always directed toward the center of the circle. This motion is called the circular motion of the object. So here we write circular motion is the movement of an object along the circumference of a circle or in a circular path. Object is constant speed but velocity changing due to change in the direction of the object. If we discuss about it example, in this example, first one is a satellite circling around the earth. Second is the moon circling around the earth and etc. In rotational or circular motion, in circular motion, the velocity of an object, that is the velocity of an object that is moving along a circular path, they say that the velocity is changing continuously along in circular path, that is always along the tangent to it, the path of the motion. The diagram on this right side shows that the velocity that is change is directed toward the center of the circle. So here we write that in circular motion, the velocity of an object changes its direction continuously, always tangent to the path of motion. Here's the object that is velocity is along the tangent of its path. The diagram on the right side, on the right, shows that change in velocity directed toward the center of the circle, change in velocity is toward the center. We know that the acceleration is the rate of change of velocity, that is the A is equal to delta V over delta T. This shows that if velocity is change, then acceleration is also change. If velocity is change, then there is acceleration is exists. If velocity is changing, then there an acceleration. This known as centripetal acceleration, which directly this centripetal acceleration is denoted by a c, which directly toward the center of the circle. The force which causes the centripetal acceleration toward the center is called a centripetal force. The body that is moving in circle, its velocity is continuously changing. When the body is moving from one point to another point is covered distance t. From this motion of an object, we make the two triangle. One is related to the radius and displacement, another related to the velocity. Here, this the radial distance. Here we draw this triangle, and this covered distance we draw the displacement d here. Velocity v1 when at point 1 and velocity v at when at the point 2. These two are velocity. When we make the resultant of this triangle, this make the delta v that is changing along the circle. So in these two triangle, the two equal side of the velocity vector of the triangle are these two equal side of the velocity vector of the triangle that are equal. So we can write it as v1 is equal to v2 that is equal to v. So by using the properties of two triangles, these are two triangles, so by using property triangle we obtain delta v over v is equal to d over r. So from this we can calculate the delta v that is equal to v d by r. We know that v is equal to d by delta t, so here d is equal to v delta t. This is put in this equation, so we get delta v is equal to v delta t over r. This v is this and this is equal to v, so this come in here delta v over delta t. This is become v square by r. This v over t is equal to a is equal to v square by r. That is